Hello everyone, I am Ravi Singh speaking here with Tricky English Express. Thanks for joining me for another lesson today. Really I am so happy that you joined me for this important lesson. But before we get started, I want you to take a moment to subscribe our channel. If you subscribe, then you will be sure to get our latest videos as soon as they come out. Subscribe. Okay, very cool. So let's get started. Okay. As you know that learning English is second language is difficult, but what is even challenging is learning it without a speaking partner, means practicing it at home alone. There are so many people, it's most frequently asked question, how to practice English speaking alone at home. I'm just going to tell you quite a few days which are going to help you do a great job at home without having a speaking partner. Well, there is a person in your home who always with you, and guess what, that person is every day to help you. That's you and yourself. Yes, you and yourself can help from all the angle you want. Now if you have no speaking partner at home, so go to in front of mirror, means look into the mirror and practice now. Nobody is there to stop you from speaking. You want to speak and suddenly nobody correctly mistake. So try practice into the front of mirror. So now when you start thinking in English, suddenly living in environment in English for that, you don't need anybody else. You can help mental talk, better a talk with yourself, means plan for tomorrow. This practice with full confidence. Just think about anything in English and next things. Listen and repeat. Listen to a piece of music when you like. Listen to a piece of dialogue. You listening and watch interview your favorite actor and actress. So just do it. I just mentioned 3 of them. So I hope you don't need any help for speaking in English with you. Okay, now I would like to say something. If you like these videos, feel free to give us a like, to give us a comment, subscribe to this channel.